Inspection. All batteries should be carefully inspected on a regular basis in order to detect and correct potential problems before they can do harm. It is a great idea to start this routine when the batteries are first received. First, examine the outside appearance of the battery. Look for any cracks in the container. Check the top of the battery to ensure the posts and connections are clean, free of dirt, fluids, and corrosion. Any fluids on or around the battery may be an indication that electrolyte is spilling, leaching, or leaking out, and should be repaired or replaced immediately. Battery cables and their connections should be intact. Broken or frayed cables can be extremely hazardous and should be replaced. Make sure all wiring connections to terminals are set to the proper specifications. The correct specifications can be found on our website, www.trojanbattery.com, and in your maintenance brochure. Do not over-tighten nuts on terminals, as this can result in post-breakage, post-meltdown, or fire.